everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on rock beat number 3. I've done videos on rock beat number 1, I did a video on rock beat number 2. Rock beat number 3 is just another variation of the very first rock beat that I showed you. This is going to be helpful because it's going to really get you comfortable placing the bass drum on any of the eighth notes we're going to be playing on the hi-hat. If you're not familiar with eighth notes, I'm going to do a video on basic reading and basic counting, and then that'll clear everything up for you. But for right now, we're going to play 4 hi-hats. And each one of those hi-hats is an opportunity to either add a bass drum or a snare drum. So in rock beat number 3, what we're going to do is we're going to play the bass drum on hi-hats 1, 2, and 4. Hi-hat number 3 is still going to get the snare drum added, just like any other beats. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add a bass drum to every hi-hat that we play, except the one that we're adding the snare drum to. So this is what it's going to sound like, nice and slow. We're going to play 4 hi-hats, nice and even. We're going to put a bass drum on the first one, the second one, and the fourth one. Here we go. Now you might notice something. The first time, when I first start out the rock beat, I play 2 bass drums. Every time after that, it's 3 in a row, the whole rest of the way. That's because I play a bass drum on the 4th hi-hat, and then again, looping back around on the 1st and 2nd one. So after the very first time I play it, every time after that, it's going to be 3 bass drums in a row until I stop the beat. So keep in mind that we're playing bass drum hi-hat twice, snare drum hi-hat on the 3rd one, 4th one bass drum hi-hat again, and then we're starting the whole process over. That's why it's so easy to play these beats, because you only have to remember 4 steps, and then we repeat them over and over and over and over again. Now, in music, within the same song, bass drum patterns are usually going to change. But for now, for our purposes right now, and learning the basic rock beats and a couple of variations, we're not going to worry about that. We'll get into that at another time. But make sure you work on these nice and slow. We don't want to get frustrated. We don't want to feel like, oh, I can't do this, because it's always easier to do it slowly at first, so we can think about the next step, and it makes it a lot easier for us to retain. Plus, there's no frustration, because we're getting it, we're doing it. Maybe it's taking a little while, or maybe we're playing slower than we want to right now, but that's okay. Speed is not the goal. The goal is to play it evenly, the goal is to play it correctly, and the goal is to have fun. The speed will come. The more comfortable you get playing these beats, you're just going to start playing faster. It's just going to happen. The speed will come naturally. So don't worry about the speed for right now. Take it easy, have fun, do it slow, and when you start to feel more comfortable, speed it up a little bit at a time. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.